Implantation, the process of attaching the embryo blastocyst stage to the parent endometrium uterine wall. Type of implantation. Based on the species, it is divided into two types of implantation, namely, first, invasive implantation. Invasive process, the embryo will destroy the surface epithelium of the endometrium of the uterus until it enters the stroma, connective tissue even in humans, to damage the endothelial of the parent blood vessels. Second, non-invasive implantation. The endometrial epithelium remains and will later participate in the preparation of the endometrial placenta. Central implantation is a type of implantation that is non-invasive, where the embryo only attaches to the endometrial epithelium of the uterus. Example: cow, pig, and horse. Type of implantation based on the depth of the embryo entering. First, superficial. The embryo attaches to the surface of the endometrial epithelium. Second, eccentric. The embryo penetrates slightly deeper into the endometrium of the uterus, for example, in dogs, cats, and rats. Third, interstitial. The embryo erodes down the uterine endometrium, and finally the entire embryo is embedded in the endometrium, for example in humans, chimpanzees, and guinea pigs. Extraembryonic membranes. Some membranes that form during embryonal development that originate from the embryonic body but are located outside the embryo's body and do not become part of the embryo's body. Function: intermediate media of substance protection for embryos. 4 types of extraembryonic membrane. First, yolk sac. The membrane that envelops the yolk. It develops well in poultry but relatively not in mammals. Filled with vitelline blood vessels that develop from Mesoderm spongins. Function: absorption of egg yolks.
2. Amniotic. The membrane that snubs the embryo in the amniotic cavity that contains amniotic fluid. Amniotic animals, example like reptiles, poultry, and mammals. And amniotic animals, example like fish and amphibians. Function: prevent embryo dry, prevent attachment of the embryo to the extraembryonic membrane. Shock absorbers, absorb albumin. 3. Chorion, outermost extraembryonic membrane. Function: bring materials in the form of gas into the fetal blood circulation. Prevent the entry of bacteria. 4. Allantois. This allantois actually consists of 2 kinds of membranes, namely 1. The allantois itself, which is located opposite the edge cells just inside the chorions. Through the allantois blood vessel branch, and this membrane acts as the respiratory structure of the embryo. Gas exchange occurs between the membrane and the air on the outside of the cell. So far, allantois act as an embryonic bladder, where metabolic wastes are stored until hatching time. 2. The second membrane is a yolk sac containing a lot of food that is useful for development, and over time, the yolk becomes less because it is used during growth embryo. Placentation. an area that is a structural unit between the extra-embryonic membrane or fetus and the mother endometrium, which is the site of gas and nutrient exchange between the mother and fetus. Function: exchange of nutrients, gases, hormones as an endocrine gland. Barrier: prevent the mixing of material and fetal blood. Prevent pathogenic bacteria in the mother's blood from entering the fetal blood circulation. Immune protecting. Type of placenta. Types of the placenta based on microscopic shape and attachment site with endometrium, namely 1. Diffuse. It has chorionic villi which are smooth, evenly distributed, and adherent with the endometrium throughout the chorion, found in horse and pigs. 2. Cotyledonary. Having chorionic villi grouped cotyledons. The cotyledons will attach to the endometrial caruncle, commonly known as the placenta. 3. Zonaria. The chorionic villi are grouped in the middle third of the chorion, such as a ribbon or towel that covers the surface of the chorion. 4. Discoidal. The chorionic villi forms a disc with chorionic attachment to the endometrium in this area.
Type of placenta. Placenta type based on the relationship of the chorion to the endometrium. Histology, namely the first is pseudesmochorial, part of the endometrial epithelium sheath supporting tissue associated with the chorion, example ruminants. The second is endoteliochorial, epithelium and connective tissue under the say. The endothelium in the part is directly related to the chorion, example carnivore. The third is hemochorial, mother blood directly related to the chorion, example is human and rodents. Type of placenta. Type of placenta based on whether the endometrium sheath at the time of birth, implantation, or parturition. The first is a deciduate, not sheath, or endometrium remains intact. Example, horse, pig, or epitheliochorial. The next is semideciduate, partially the side. Example, ruminants or syndesmochorial. And the last is deciduate. The endometrium is complete the side. Example, carnivores, primates, rodents, or endothelichorial, hemochorial. Placentation, the process of formation of the placenta after the implantation of the embryo in the mother's endometrium. Stage: implantation, multiplantation of the implantation site, stromal reaction, epithelial sloughing, formation of material placenta, vascularization, formatting of fetal placenta, formation of 3 layers of trophoblast, and endothelium or separating mother's and child blood.
Conclusion. First, implantation or nidation is the process of attaching the embryo to the uterine endometrium. Implantation starts with sticking blastocyst on the uterine endometrium. The blastocyst will be associated with uterine tissue at the time of implantation. The trophoblast will differentiate into 2 layers, namely cytotrophoblasts, and syncytiotrophoblasts. Based on the mechanism of attachment, implantation, it is divided into invasive implantation and non-invasive implantation. Based on the depth, is divided into superficial implantation, interstitial, and extrinsic. Second, extra-embryonic membrane consists of 4 types, namely the yolk sac, chorion, amnion, and allantoid. Third, the process of formation of the placenta after the implantation process embryo in the mother endometrium stage, namely multiplication, implantation site, implantation, epithelial sloughing, stromal reaction, formation of maternal placenta, histiotrophs, formation of fetus's placenta, vascularization is formed 3-layer trophoblast plus hemotrophs. Endothelium separates mother and daughter blood.